Hello viewers, welcome to this channel. I'm going to show you how my 3-minute video made up to $206. I have a channel called Mr. Elijah IT Support and Solution, and I've created about 332 videos. I'm going to show you that sometimes it's not all about the length of the video, because a single video raked in $206 and it's just less than 3-minute video. I'll show you what I did that led to that. Sorry, I do more of faceless video so that my audience can focus more on the information I'm giving out, so you might not be seeing my face. This is how it started. I began to make series of videos in my second channel, Mr. Elijah IT Support and Solutions. You can see the link to the channel on the description section below. After making the videos, I left the channel for some time, like 3 weeks. I came back and checked the channel analytics. I quickly observed that this video is getting more views than the others. And I identified the video. So I optimized it. I edited the description section and added more information using the keywords. Then I left the video to grow, and it grew up to 100,000 views, raking $206. Okay, not at all. I did not use bots or any artificial means. All the views were organic. But I did one thing. I shared the video on WhatsApp, Facebook, X, and LinkedIn, and I got responses from there. And you know it's wrong to use bots to create views on YouTube, because if you are caught, you will definitely be penalized. I hope you do enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye.